Hello everyone, Hemal here with the daily update on the market and the indexes. So let's start with Qs, which tracks the Nasdaq 100 index. So as we can see, weekly chart still looking good, volume higher than average last couple of weeks. This is the third positive week. So let's see how we close tomorrow. IWM had a really strong week. As you can see, it broke through this prior resistance line right there, which is really good. And that too coming on a volume. We got one more day to go. Spiders also looking good. Second positive week if we don't count this, but this was a reversal as well. Lower volume though, but overall still looking good. Consolidation on a flat base. Now going through the daily charts. Before I do that, let me just quickly make some comments here. So again, there's a lot of uncertainty in the market with as it relates to stimulus, as you may all be aware. There is a lot of disagreements between House and White House and Senate. So hopefully they are able to resolve and do the right thing by the people who really need help. Also going into the election year, historically facts are that when a third quarter is strong in an election year, the fourth quarter is also strong or stronger. So as we know, third quarter, which started right here, July, August, September, yeah. So third quarter has been strong, right? So I would expect fourth quarter to be stronger. That is what historically has happened. Again, fourth quarter is the strongest quarter every year. Seasonality going into the holiday season. So there are a lot of tailwinds pushing the market. Nice breeze behind the market. So going up is the way to go in a normal sense. But again, anything can happen. 2020 is anything but normal. I'm going to take you on a journey very quick before I do that here. So spiders, again, a good day today, up 0.89%. Let's cover Qs on a daily chart, up 0.53. I would like to see this break through this resistance line right here on volume. Again, doesn't matter if I like to see that. We'll see what market gives us. And then IWM very strong today, up 1.14%. Now again, I don't expect this to continue to go up. Most likely it will correct a little bit. It will pull back. As long as this green 8-day exponential moving average basically holds it every time and captures that and pushes it back up, that will be a good sign for the market to continue to trend up. I'm going to show you some things that I've done since last year. Let me take you back in time through last November. Okay, so let's see here, a little further down. Okay, so this is when I entered the market in this particular account. Now, during the course of this last several months, I've been in funds which track Nasdaq, which track S&P, which track small cap, especially those three, and very few days in the fund that tracks the world index. So let me just cover SPY to make it simpler. So I went in here. So the green arrow, I should actually point this arrow right here. Okay, so that's when I entered. Okay, and then this is where I exited. Okay, so entire account went in, entire account went out. So that was pretty good time. Actually, my entire assets was significantly higher, which is how it should be because the market was in uptrend. So 6% there, but I did get out on January 2nd, assuming that we had a stronger fourth quarter. So my assumption, I wasn't looking at price action. I was assuming that it will go down because the fourth quarter was stronger, and people will now sell and book profits because they don't want to pay the income tax for another year. And obviously I was wrong. I missed out on, let's see here, about 5%. Yep, about 5% gains. Now let's move forward. Now the good thing is I did miss out there, but I did not have to incur the drawdown because I was totally in cash all the way down until this day right there. So this is when I re-entered on March 18th, which was not the right decision, by the way. I want to point out, because we did not have a follow-through day. And if you have followed my videos, you should really Google and find out the follow-through day. What is the concept and how IBD measures that and what are the parameters. Very important. So, and then I actually got out on this day. Okay, and again 401k, when you get out, in at least in this account, it will execute the trade at the end of the day. Okay, so I made a little bit money here, nothing to be proud of. Let's see right there. So I made a little bit money there. Hold on, it'll be hard to gauge that. Okay, but anyway, you get the point. Now moving forward, so I actually went back. I went back when this was going on, this price action. I was talking with one of my buddies, and I went back all the way here when we had another waterfall correction right there. Okay, we had another waterfall correction here, and I was talking to him about how the price action came here when the market had turned into the uptrend, came here, we had a follow through day, and then this is where it consolidated, and then it went upwards. So that's what I was discussing with him, and that's what my plan was. Okay, so that was the plan. However, then I heard a lot of smart people on Twitter, people I follow, people I trust, people I've learned from. They were talking about this waterfall low. Whenever there's a waterfall correction and a low, normally it will bounce back. There's always a rally in downtrends, in corrections, and then it will form another low, which could be a double bottom, or it could undercut this low. So hearing all the smart people, I said, okay, I'm going to wait out, and I'm not going to go in just because of what they were thinking. So I waited, and then this was consolidating here and squeezing a bit. So then I decided, you know what, I'm going to enter here. So half my account went in the funds there, and then the other half went in on this day. Okay, so now I'm back in the market 100%. I rode the market. I got out on this day right here. Okay, right there. So I made this gains right here, and then I realized my mistake. Actually, this was actually a good entry, not an exit. Okay, so then I re-entered here, right here on this day, and then fast forward. So I made all this money right there. Now here I got out on this day. So it was a perfect top tick, which was not really guaranteed. I was just lucky. Then I really prevented this drawdown, and now we are into current day, and I got back in on this day right there. 100% back in the account. Okay, so now it's divided into 3 different funds, but just to make it simpler, so as you can see, so this account since November, actually not even since November, since January of this year, is up 45%, the entire 401k account. So as you can see, I know a lot of folks, a lot of financial managers, money managers would say that it is important to be in the market all the time, and then price action will take care of it. I don't really agree with that. As you can see, I wasn't in the market the entire time, and I still have a pretty good gains. So now fast forward to the future. So I will see how far this goes, and at some point, if I don't like the price action, or price action is telling me there's a yellow flag or a red flag, then I'll get out again. I'll be on the sidelines, and I will stay for the right opportunity. As you can see, there are very few entries and exits during the course of the year. You can probably count on your fingertips, but that's how I try to manage my trades. And just like you saw how I enter and exit in these indexes, I do the same with the stocks. So I will cover those. Right now I'm fully vested, so I'm not buying anything. I just do to manage my trades. Earning seasons are kicking in fast and furious starting next week. So I will have to see what I do, which positions I hold going into it, and then which one I want to sell before the earnings. So we'll see how that goes. Well, I hope you all have a great night or a great day if you're watching this in the morning. Take care. See you soon.